Tim here from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download music on your Android phone. So just open up a web browser and then go to this website. You got Pixabay.com, Pixabay.com, and you can go here and you can get non-copyrighted sound. So let's type this in, just Pixabay, Pixabay.com, and then you can search for any kind of songs, and you can use this in your videos, or you can set these as your ringtone. So we can just go to music right here and then select a song, hit the download option, and you should be able to download it. Wait for it to pop up and then you can select download on here. So you might have to click in here, hit download right here, and you can see it should pop up here. Just give it some time. If it doesn't, you can just try. Here it is. Just wait like 10 to 15 seconds and you can see it downloading now. Now you can set this as your ringtone too. If you go to the top right and go to settings and scroll on down, go to sound and vibrations, go to ringtones, and then go to the plus icon up here. And you can just find your music you downloaded right here, and you can set this as your ringtone on your phone now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.